you look over here, YouTube Shorts are now monetized, so you can earn money from YouTube Shorts as of February 1, 2023, as stated in the Google policies now. YouTube Shorts that use artificial intelligence to earn money, like this channel right over here that was started not too long ago, are now earning $10,000 per month or $120,000 per year, and they receive about 500,000 views every single day. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use AI to copy and paste YouTube videos to generate income. You can start doing this right away as a total beginner for free. Let's get right to it. The first thing you'll need to do is head over here to the short shelf. You can get there by typing shorts into the search bar up here, which will bring up all of the short videos that have ever been uploaded, as you can see right over here. Instead of doing this yourself, you could just follow along with what I'm about to say. What I did was search for a specific topic that doesn't require you to show your face and allows you to copy and paste so that you don't have to do any of the work. Now what I did was scroll down for about 10 minutes and I found a super secret niche that you could get into. There are just a few channels here that are truly doing this, so that is how these folks are able to earn so much money in this particular niche. You can start doing this right now with no prior experience. I'm going to demonstrate software that will essentially perform all of the work for you, so let's simply model what is effective. As you can see, the top 10 is a very lucrative niche for shorts. People have millions of views on their shorts and have channels dedicated to them. We want to model the most popular videos because we know that will make our videos popular. So as you can see on their popular videos, we're going to this one as a pretty good thumbnail, and it's a very intriguing topic, so we're simply going to model this one alright, so we can't just copy and paste this exact video. We're going to have to recreate it with AI software that will do the work for us, so what we're going to do is go to OpenAI.com, which is ChatGPT, and type in "create me a video script with the top 10 most dangerous snakes in the world." We have our video script here, so we don't need to do that ourselves. We don't even need to read the script or do the voiceover. GPT is actually going to create this video script for you, as you can see, in less than 10 seconds. It created me a wonderful video script with the top 10 most dangerous snakes in the world. I'll show you exactly where to go next using an all-in-one artificial intelligence program, and we'll do that by visiting CapCut.com. Okay, so what we're going to do is press create a new video, which will take us to this screen. Once we're here, we're going to select the ratio to 9:16, which is for TikTok, Instagram Stories and YouTube Shorts. Okay, 9:16. So make sure you get that right. After that, we're going to move on to captions, which will take us to this screen. We're going to type in captions, add a manual caption, and then go back to the script and just copy and paste it. We'll start with number 10 since that's where the video script begins, so we'll just do half of it. Since this is a short video, you don't want a script that's too long. You want something that lasts, ideally, between 15 and 30 seconds. So, we're going to copy that and paste it here. As you can see, it automatically inserts the text into the video so that viewers can read it correctly. Next, we're going to do text to speech. To do this, select English as the language, then choose the energetic or serious female. This one sounds okay, so I'll play it for you. That's going to apply text to speech for us, and then all we need is an image behind. To find one, we'll go into their photo library. And then we're going to extend this text until the end of the audio, so the audio ends about where you can see the words. One last thing we could do is add some animation to it to make it more interesting, because we don't want just a still image there because that won't look good, so we could put an animation. We basically have the first slide of that short. All you have to do now is repeat that for each and every number. We can copy that, come back here and add more captions, add it there and do the same exact thing. You're going to download it to your computer, then you're going to submit it here on YouTube. I did this by actually uploading the brief video here. You just need to enter the title, which may be something like shorts with the hashtag, top 10 most dangerous snakes in the world. Okay, you must include the hashtag, shorts, so that YouTube can recognize it as a short video. You should also include proper SEO, search engine optimization, in the description to increase the number of views of your videos from YouTube users. That's it for today. For more interesting story videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for never missing updates.